We will see in this class how to stretch and scale objects, modifying their dimensions quickly. To get started, open the available file. We start by activating the Stretch command, which allows you to change the dimensions of an object and is located in the Modify panel of the Home tab. We will apply this command on this axis, which has a length of 95, but should have a final length of 115. With the crossing selection method, we select the elements that will be affected by the command. Next, we define a base point by clicking on the point shown. Note that now, by dragging the cursor, the project has its dimensions and geometries changed. Keeping the movement along the x-axis, we enter the value 20 to increase the length of the part. This command also allows you to reduce the dimensions of a project. It is worth remembering that the selection of objects that will change with this command should always be done by the crossing mode. Proceeding, we will study the command Lengthen, which modifies the length of objects and the angle of arches. This command is displayed by clicking on the title bar of the Modify panel of the Home tab, and presents some application options. The delta option allows you to modify the length by entering a positive or negative incremental distance. With % we can increase or reduce an entity by entering a percentage amount. With total it is possible to define the total length of the line and, in the case of arches, the final angle of opening. Finally, we have the dynamic option, which allows you to change the dimension of an entity manually. Let's modify the length of this line from 80 to 120. We enter the letters of to select the option delta and press Enter. Enter the value 40 and press Enter. Finally, we select the line, press Enter to confirm the application of the command and get the desired result. Let's now look at how to modify the dimensions of an object proportionally, using the Scale command, located in the Modify panel of the Home tab. We activate the command, select the object, which in our case will be this axis, and confirm with an Enter. Click to set the base point for application of the command. We have defined a scale factor that for reduction should be less than 1 and for magnification greater than 1. We enter the scale factor 0.5 to reduce the size of this axis by half, confirm with Enter and see the result obtained. And so we finished our class, where we learned to modify the dimensions of objects in different ways. Train the use of these commands to facilitate and optimize the development of your projects.